CRUSH is the new Leonardo project characterized by a deliberately rough surface similar to exposed cement and designed for environments seeking the fascination of industrial materials. The concept is inspired by the stylistic values of brutalism, an architectural genre that emerged in the UK in the 1950s with the aim of combining simplicity and strict design with bold expression and the power of materials. CRUSH is 100% guaranteed, the seal of guarantee on the Leonardo products, icon, overcome, endless, attitude, obtained with a mix of raw materials without any kind of digital intervention and without the addition of glazes. A genuinely unique product in its technical and aesthetic makeup. CRUSH is created in two structural versions, a neutral base and a textured one, and in 4 colors: white, grey, dark grey and greyish. It comes in 4 sizes, 120 by 120, 60 by 120 and 60 by 60 centimeters, and in 2 surface finishes for dual purpose in both an internal as well as an outdoor context. Because CRUSH is built to last beyond time and physical space.